Okay, so this is an extension question, and we're going to look at question 9 in the back of the questions on page 478. So that's exercise 1203 Venn diagrams, and we're going to look at question number 9. Before we do that, let's do a quick example on 3 Venn diagrams. So we have 3 subjects: English, maths and science. Nobody does neither subject, and I would like you to define each region below. Pause the video and define each region. Okay, hopefully you've done that now. So we've got red is English only. We've got green is English and maths. We've got blue is maths only. We've got purple, which is English and science. We've got the orange, which is English and maths and science. Then we've got this pink, which is maths and science. Then we've got the blue, science only. And then we've got the light blue, which is neither. Okay, so let's have a look at question 9. Okay, so I'll let you read the question and do as much as you can. I would just like to reiterate that this is an extension question, and it's unlikely you're going to get a question like this in the exam. So do as much as you can, pause the video, and then I'll go over the solution. Okay, so hopefully you've done that now. So I'm just going to do the solution. Let's get the... Okay, so let's do it in black. Okay, so let's do some better Venn diagrams than that. Okay, that's much better. Okay, so we've got the SRC, we've got the chess club, and we've got yoga. Now, different people do these different ways. I like to define each region. So A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Okay, so we're given some information. We are told that the SRC has 25 members. So we know that A plus B plus C plus E plus F is equal to 25. Okay, we are told that chess club has 20 members. So we know that B plus C plus E plus F is equal to 20. Also, we know that yoga has 33 members. So we know that D plus E plus F plus G has to equal 33. Okay, so let's go through the pieces of information that we have. Okay, so we are told that 5 students belong to all 3 groups. So we can say that E is equal to 5. Okay, we are also told that 13 members belong to the SRC and no other club. So that is A is equal to 13. 4 members of the yoga club are members of the SRC but not chess. 4 members of the yoga club are also members of the SRC but not chess. So D is equal to 4. Okay, now this is where it gets a bit tricksy-dixy. Okay, now we are told that 10 members belong to both yoga and chess clubs. 10 members belong to both yoga and chess. So we got E plus F is equal to 10. Now, do you see where that is? Okay, I'm going to read that again. We got 10 members belong to both yoga and chess. So that is going to be E and F. We know that E is equal to 5. So F then must be equal to 5 also. Okay, I'm going to put this in brackets. Okay, next we are told that there are 8 members of the chess club who are also members of the SRC. There are 8 members of the chess club who are also members of the SRC. So that means B plus E is equal to 8. We already know that E is equal to 5, so that means B is equal to 3. Okay, now let's populate the table with what we have. So let's scrub these out and let's populate the table. Okay, so we've got E is equal to 5. So E is in the middle, so we got that is equal to 5. We have got, so we've done that, we've got A is equal to 13. A is here, 13. We've got D is equal to 4. D is down here. We have F is equal to 5. We've got 5 here. And we've got B is equal to 3. Okay, so we are missing G and we are missing C. Now, we find those by subbing in all these values into here. Okay, I want you to do that now, then I'm going to give you the answer. Okay, so hopefully you've done that now. So, you should find that C is equal to 7 and that G is equal to 19. Okay, so let's go over the answers. Okay, now the first one we're asked, so we've drawn the Venn diagram, so that is A. B asks the number for yoga, which is 19. C asks for the number of chess, which is 7. D asks for the probability of 2 clubs. Okay, so 2 clubs is going to be 3 plus 4 plus 5 over 56. Okay, 2 clubs are going to be here in red. This is 2 clubs. SRC and yoga. This is 2 clubs. Yoga and chess. And this is 2 clubs. Okay, so these simplify to give 3 over 14. Okay, let's do E. Okay, E is the probability at least 2 clubs. So that means possibly 3 as well. Okay, so you need to add all the 2, then plus the 3 as well, which is this one. Okay, if you do that, you've got 10, 14, 17. And then finally F. And F is split up into some sections. So let's do I is the probability of yoga and SRC not chess. Okay, so that's yoga, SRC, but not chess. And that's just 4 over 56. That is here. Okay, let's make some space. II says only 1 club. Probability 1 club only. Okay, so the probability of 1 club only is going to be here, here, and here. And if you add all those up, we're going to get 39 over 56. Okay, part 3 says the probability of SRC or chess, but not yoga. Okay, so SRC or chess, but not yoga. Okay, so I'm going to do this. It's going to get a bit complicated. So we've got SRC, which is here. Let's do this in green. We get SRC, which is here, or chess, which is here. But not yoga. Okay, let me have a think about that. SRC or chess, but not yoga. SRC. Okay, and it's this one. Okay, that was a difficult one. So we have, if we add all those up, we're going to get 23 over 56. Okay, so the last one is going to be IV. Last one says at most 2 clubs. Probability at most 2 clubs. Okay, and I hope you can see that that is 51 over 56. Okay, so for at most 2 clubs, we count all the people who do 2 clubs and add them together, or we could subtract 56 over 56 minus the people who do 3 clubs, which gives 51 over 56. That's how I did it. Okay, and is it necessary to include the rectangle in the Venn diagram? No, because we're not sampling the entire school, and all the data here is included in the Venn diagrams. It's not absolutely necessary to include the rectangle. I always encourage people to include the rectangle, even if there's no information. Okay, so as you can see, this is quite tricky. Very well done if you got all the answers correct. If you got some of them correct, well done, and congratulations for making it to the end of an extension video.